Let's talk about this smart webcam. This thing was sent for my review and I just been playing with it for a few minutes. Super impressive. It is only 1080p and I'm going to show you a couple of like different angles of or different cameras so you can actually see the difference between like something like that's 4K that you're watching right now or something like this that is natively 1080p. And to be fair, for a webcam, you don't need to get much higher than this because this thing is extremely crisp. It does come with audio as well. And I just love the way it actually fits either on a screen. So you can actually set it up on prop it up on a screen. It's got like these little, adjustable back panel so you can have it in different tilt angles. But my favorite thing, it actually comes with a mini tripod. So that mini tripod is literally tiny. So this webcam is fantastic for travel. So you open this up just like that. We're going to open this little tripod up and there you go. Look at that. It's actually super high. And we are going to install it because there is threading below or just at the bottom plate right there. We're just going to do this like that. And look at that. That little webcam now doesn't need to be propped up on a monitor or on your screen because it has its own stand. So you can actually have it onto the side, kind of like away. If you need to be doing a Zoom call or some talking head, you can turn around, do it like that, or you can have it literally anywhere. Now I'm going to switch live. I don't know what kind of view this is going to give me, but I'm going to switch live right now, and this is it. Look at this. This is that little camera. Look how it is actually super impressive how, I'm going to talk to this camera actually, it is actually super impressive how sharp and tacky sharp it is. The focus is beautiful. The colors for me, obviously the colors are different. It's a different angle, of course, and there are lots of lights here. So the colors for me are a little bit subdued, but that can also be fixed. I do read also that there is a beauty effect that does come with the software. So that's a nice thing. So if you want to kind of work with your pores or make yourself a little bit more presentable, if you're not, then you can have that. And that's a really nice thing to be helping you with. And then, of course, like I said, the little privacy screen that you can just shut off just like that. So that's another thing, kind of a secured feeling. If you've got a webcam in your room or a webcam in your hotel room and traveling, you can always bring down that privacy screen. But this thing is really, really well built. It's extremely light. So if you are propping it on a monitor, there's zero issues there. Yeah, I'm very, very happy with this. Super impressed. Very, very cool. For 1080p, wow.